Welcome to my YouTube channel BioWorld. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification about upcoming videos. What is a cell wall? Cell wall is a rigid, non-living outermost covering of a cell, found in eukaryotic plants, fungi, algea and prokaryotes, but it is absent in other eukaryotic organisms such as animals. They provide structural support, protection and prevent desiccation. The cell wall separates the interior contents of the cell from the exterior environment. Cell wall thickness and composition varies according to the organism. Fungal cell wall. Fungal cell wall is made up of chitin. Chitin is a composition of glucose which is also found in the exoskeletons of arthropods. It also provides protection, structural support and prevent desiccation. Prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria also contain cell walls. However, they are chemically different from the cell wall found in plants and fungi. Bacterial cell wall is composed of large polymers known as peptidoglycans or murine. Peptidoglycan or murine consist of sugars and amino acids that forms a mesh-like peptidoglycan layer outside the plasma membrane. Cell walls in prokaryotes serve as a form of protection and prevent bursting of the cell and expulsion of cellular contents. Structurally, prokaryotic cell walls consist of two layers. An inner layer that is made up of peptidoglycans and outer layer that is composed of lipopolysaccharides and lipoproteins. Those bacteria consist of single, thick peptidoglycan layer of cell wall, are called gram-positive bacteria. While those that consisting of both cell wall layers are called gram-negative bacteria. Plant cell wall is generally arranged in three layers: primary cell wall, middle lamella and secondary cell wall. It is composed of carbohydrates, like cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin and other smaller amounts of minerals, which form a network along with structural proteins to form the cell wall. Primary cell wall. The primary cell wall is the first formed cell wall situated outside the secondary cell wall. It is mainly made up of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin, allowing the wall to stretch for the purpose of growth. It is also comparatively permeable and thinner than the other layers. Middle lamella. The middle lamella is the outermost layer. This layer primarily composed of gel-like pectins. However, other substances such as lignin, magnesium, calcium and proteins can also be found. It acts as an interface between the other neighboring cells and stick them together. Secondary cell wall. Secondary cell wall is formed inside the primary cell wall once the cell is completely grown. Secondary cell walls contain a wide range of additional compounds that modify their mechanical properties and permeability. The major polymers that make secondary cell wall include cellulose, 35 to 50%, xylene, 20 to 35%, a type of hemicellulose, lignin, 10 to 25%, a complex that penetrates the spaces in the cell wall between cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin components, driving out water and strengthening the wall. Also, this layer provides the characteristic rectangular or square shape to a cell. It is also the thickest layer and permits permeability. What is the function of the cell wall? The cell wall is an integral component of the plant cell and it performs many essential functions. Following are some of the major cell wall functions observed. The plant cell wall provides definite shape, strength, and rigidity. It also provides protection against mechanical stress and physical shocks. It helps to control cell expansion due to the intake of water. It helps in preventing water loss from the cell. It is responsible for transporting substances between and across the cell. It acts as a barrier between the interior cellular components and the external environment. If you feel good to see this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel BioWorld and press the bell icon to get notification about upcoming videos.